Upgrade your kitchen setup with cutting-edge durability and style. The best titanium cutting boards offer unmatched strength, stain resistance, and a sleek, modern look. Perfect for chefs and home cooks alike, these boards handle tough chopping tasks without dulling your knives. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Nslll Titanium Cutting Board. The Nslll Titanium Cutting Board set is a smart, modern addition to any kitchen, designed with both style and practicality in mind. This set includes 3 different sizes, 11.5 by 8 inches, 14 by 10 inches, and 18 by 12 inches, giving users the flexibility to tackle a variety of kitchen tasks. One standout feature is its double-sided design, with one side designated for fruits and vegetables and the other for meats. This setup helps prevent cross-contamination, a crucial detail for anyone who values a clean, efficient cooking environment. Made from solid titanium alloy with a substantial 1.7mm thickness, this cutting board offers excellent durability and resistance against deep cuts, warping, or absorbing food juices. It's a reliable choice for heavy-duty chopping and slicing while remaining lightweight enough to handle easily. Cleaning the Nslll titanium cutting board is straightforward. A quick rinse or wipe with water is typically all it needs. The non-porous, smooth surface repels food particles and liquids, making it highly hygienic and stain-resistant. Additionally, the boards are designed to hang conveniently, adding a touch of elegance and organization to your kitchen. Beyond simple chopping tasks, these cutting boards are versatile enough for rolling dough, preparing sandwiches, or dicing vegetables for large gatherings. It's a multifunctional tool that suits both home cooks and professional chefs who demand reliability and easy maintenance in their kitchen tools. Overall, the Nslll Titanium Cutting Board set stands out for its solid construction, dual-sided convenience, and user-friendly cleaning. It's a thoughtful investment for anyone who values quality, cleanliness, and efficiency in their food preparation routine. Number 2. The Minutesin Titanium Cutting Board. The Minutesin Titanium Cutting Board redefines kitchen hygiene and durability with its food-grade titanium construction. Known for being highly resistant to corrosion and non-reactive with foods, this cutting board ensures that no unwanted contaminants or odors are absorbed during meal prep. Its non-porous, wear-resistant surface significantly reduces cleanup time, since food particles and liquids simply rinse away with ease. This easy-to-clean feature makes it perfect for anyone seeking a fuss-free, hygienic cooking experience. Available in 3 sizes, 12 by 9 inches, 14 by 10 inches, and 18 by 12 inches, the Minutesin cutting board can handle everything from quick veggie chopping to prepping large cuts of meat. Its gentle surface preserves the sharpness of your knives, preventing dulling and extending the life of your kitchen tools. Unlike rough surfaces like glass or certain plastics, this board offers a smooth yet firm texture that balances precision cutting with knife care. Another unique feature is its lightweight design, which makes it highly portable and ideal for outdoor cooking or camping trips. It's sturdy enough to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while remaining compact and easy to store. The Minutesin Titanium Cutting Board is a multi-purpose kitchen companion, suitable not just for home kitchens but also for RVs, picnics, and campsite meal prep. Its high-strength build copes effortlessly with complex outdoor environments while maintaining hygiene and durability. With no risk of warping, cracking, or absorbing odors, this board is an excellent choice for anyone who prioritizes food safety and easy maintenance. In essence, Minutesin's offering combines the best of cutting-edge materials and practical design, making it a reliable, health-conscious addition to any modern kitchen. Number 3. Jawasua Titanium Cutting Board. Crafted from pure titanium, the Jiwasio Titanium Cutting Board brings both elegance and practicality to the kitchen. Designed for versatility, this double-sided cutting board allocates one side for fruits and vegetables and the other for meats, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. A convenient juice groove around the edge keeps your counters neat by catching liquids from juicy produce or raw meats. Measuring 1.5mm thick, the board offers a sturdy and warp-resistant surface capable of withstanding heavy daily use. One of its most appealing features is the smooth, rounded edges, setting it apart from many metal boards with sharp corners. This thoughtful design makes handling safe and comfortable, reducing the risk of accidental cuts during quick meal prep. The board's hygienic, non-porous surface repels food particles and liquids, ensuring that it won't harbor bacteria or odors over time.
Cleanup is hassle-free, requiring only a simple rinse under water or a run through the dishwasher. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the Jawasua board avoids the issues of microplastic transfer and liquid absorption that plague wooden and plastic boards. Its titanium construction ensures a long-lasting, hygienic surface that remains attractive and reliable even after years of use.
Number 4. Perehome Titanium Cutting Board. The Perehome Titanium Cutting Board offers a combination of strength, safety, and thoughtful design that elevates everyday kitchen tasks. Featuring a food-grade titanium alloy surface, this board resists stains, odors, and liquid absorption far better than traditional wood or plastic alternatives. Its ultra-smooth, non-porous design ensures superior hygiene while being easy to clean and maintain. Simply rinse with water or wipe with a cloth, and it's ready for your next use. What sets this cutting board apart is its dual-sided versatility. You can seamlessly switch between chopping meats and slicing fruits or vegetables without fear of cross-contamination. Unlike boards made from composite layers or plastics, this cutting surface is consistent and solid throughout, ensuring reliability in every cut. A built-in handle provides a secure grip while in use and doubles as a hanging option for convenient storage. Measuring 1.7 millimeters thick, the board is lightweight yet exceptionally durable, resisting warping and cracking, and it's also kinder on your knives than steel boards, preserving blade sharpness over time. Safety is further enhanced by its polished, rounded corners, eliminating the risk of accidental nicks during fast-paced meal prep. Available as a 3-piece set, with sizes ranging from 12 by 9 inches to 18 by 12 inches, it offers flexibility for a variety of kitchen tasks. Number 5. Yoyoulee Titanium Cutting Board Set. The Yoyoulee Titanium Cutting Board Set combines durability, hygiene, and thoughtful design in a sleek, modern package. Made from medical-grade titanium, this cutting board set resists corrosion, stains, and odors while offering outstanding durability for everyday use. The titanium surface is naturally hygienic, non-porous, and easy to clean, ensuring a safe food prep environment without lingering residues or cross-contamination. This set includes 3 conveniently sized boards, 11.8 by 7.7 inches, 13.4 by 9.2 inches, and 15.7 by 10.8 inches, allowing you to choose the perfect size for various kitchen tasks. The dual-sided design helps keep meats and produce separate, promoting better hygiene and reducing unwanted flavor transfer. Its titanium surface is gentle on knives, preserving blade sharpness while providing a firm cutting foundation. Another thoughtful feature is its compatibility for camping and outdoor use. Lightweight yet tough, these boards withstand rugged conditions and diverse meal prep needs. Whether you're dicing vegetables at home or preparing meals in the great outdoors, this set ensures hygienic and efficient food preparation.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.